welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn a makeup tutorial which has never been done on YouTube before. Now this makeup tutorial is all about inner beauty. Step 1. Foundation. Foundation is basically the base on which a human being stands. So you have to find the foundation. So this foundation which I'm going to use today is called Sound Knowledge. And it is by a brand called Good Life Philosophy. Step 2. Concealer. So this concealer which I'm using is called Purpose. The shade is called Purpose and it is by a brand called Be Real. So again, concealer is such a product which you need to use in optimal amount, and also you need to know the purpose for which you're using the concealer, because if you do not use the concealer for the right purpose, then you're going to suffer from a condition called being fake AF. This eyeshadow which I'm going to use today is called, it's called Wisdom, and it is by a brand which I really like. This brand, it's called Being Non-Judgmental. Lipstick. So this lipstick is called Speak Less but Speak Sweet, and this is by a brand called Words Have Power. Now this blush is my favorite one and I just love its color. You know why? Because this color is called Being a Self-Made Person. Being a self-made person, now this needs to be applied with this brush which is called Effort. We're almost done. Oh, okay, the last step is left, which is very important. Now this is called the highlighter. Now I love using this highlighter because this highlighter is by a brand called Being Confident. How good, bad, ugly your makeup has turned out, being confident can always make you look beautiful. Now, so that was it for this video. Now definitely you are thinking that this was not a makeup tutorial, and yes, it wasn't. This was rather a makeup tutorial based on inner beauty. It is so damn essential, like, you know, all of us, like, no matter how beautiful we look after applying makeup, like anyone can look beautiful after applying makeup, isn't it? हम लोग सब खूबसूरत लग सकते हैं मेकअप करने के बाद, लेकिन सबसे वाइटल, सबसे एसेंशियल चीज़ तो वही होती है ना जब आप मेकअप बिना भी खूबसूरत लगो. और हाँ, ये सच है, दिस इज ट्रू दैट यू आर ब्यूटिफुल, you are a beautiful person. You know why? Because there's nobody like you, and there's also another reason why you're beautiful, because you have struggles. You are somebody who's working hard to live, who's pushing all limits, and you're beautiful because due to the simple reason that you're a human being. You have all the beautiful qualities of being a human being. So you know, these makeup tutorials, these expensive makeups, these expensive makeup products that we buy, or skincare that we try to do, these are all useless if we are not beautiful as a person. Because we know that there are so many people who are so beautiful from outside, but then they give these ugly vibes. And you know, it is very essential. A quote which I remember is that people don't remember how beautiful you are, but people remember how beautiful you make them feel. So that was it for this video. So if you like this video and if you like these kind of positive stuff, then hey, we can be friends. So do subscribe to my channel and hang out in this channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button because you are going to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yes, that bell button is actually the doorbell for my door. So anytime you want to open my door, just subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video if you actually like it. And yes, if you're having a bad day and if you know somebody who's having a bad day, share this video, you know, spread some good vibes. And I'll see you soon. Bye.